Okay, today you're going to be taking the third grade STAR math test. Here's the front cover. Make sure yours looks the same. This is your reference chart with your conversions and your customary ruler. Then you have your metric ruler and grid paper if you need it. Your test should have all of this inside. Okay, turn to page 8 where you will see question number 1. These are the directions. Read each question carefully. For a multiple choice question, determine the best answer to the question from the 4 answer choices provided. For a griddable question, determine the best answer to the question. Then fill in your answer on the answer document. I'm going to read questions 1 through 10, and then we'll take a break and do the next 10. But after each question, you need to press pause and fill in your answer, and then press play again. All right, question number 1. This is on page 8. Sophia will arrange 42 feathers into 7 glass cases for her collection. There will be an equal number of feathers in each glass case. Which number sentence can be used to find the number of feathers in each glass case? A, 42 divided by 7 equals 6. B, 42 plus 7 equals 49. C, 42 times 7 equals 294. Or D, 42 minus 7 equals 35. Okay, going on to question 2. This is on page 9. Which of these figures is not an octagon? Which of these figures is not an octagon? Okay, question number 3 is on page 10. The table below shows the number of songs of different types that Maricela has on her music player. Pop has 35 songs. Jazz has 27 songs. Country has 17 songs. Rap has 21 songs. If Maricela chooses one of these songs at random, which statement is true? A, it is equally likely to be a jazz song or a rap song. B, it is least likely to be a country song. C, it is equally likely to be a country song or jazz song. Or D, it is certain to be a pop song. Okay, number 4 is at the bottom of page 10. Ramon has a total of 815 sheep in 2 fields. He has 348 sheep in one of the fields. How many sheep does Ramon have in the other field? F, 533. G, 577. H, 377. Or J, 467. Okay, number 5. This is page 11. The graph below shows the number of people who participated in different camp activities last week. The number of people who went swimming is missing. A total of 304 people participated in these camp activities. Which table represents the number of people who participated in each activity? Okay, number 6 is on page 12. All of the sides of figure X are congruent. All of the sides of figure Y are congruent. The length of one side of each figure is shown below. Which statement about the perimeters of these figures is true? F, the perimeter of figure X is 1 centimeter less than the perimeter of figure Y. G, the perimeter of figure X is 3 centimeters more than the perimeter of figure Y. H, the perimeter of figure X is 5 centimeters less than the perimeter of figure Y. Or J, the perimeter of figure X is 11 more centimeters than the perimeter of figure Y. Okay, we're moving on to question 7, which is on page 13. How many lines of symmetry does this figure have? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. How many lines of symmetry does this figure have? Okay, question 8. The table below shows the relationship between the number of red stars and the number of white stars Addison drew on different posters. Based on the pattern in the table, which number sentence can be used to find the number of white stars Addison drew if she drew 35 red stars on a poster? F, 19 minus 10 equals 9. G, 35 minus 21 equals 14. H, 7 plus 10 equals 17. Or J, 10 plus 3 equals 13. Okay, number 9, this is the bottom of page 14. Amelia shaded 2/8 of a rectangle. Which rectangle shows 2/8 shaded? Okay, number 10, This is now on page 15. Which point represents 110 on the number line below? Which point represents 110 on the number line below? F, point R, G, point S, H, point T, or J, point U?